Jab, high crotch, they block the double leg, cut back. Parry, stuff the head, belly whizzer. If you're new to MMA and want to understand the mechanics of some simple, effective MMA drills, you're in the right spot. My name's Jason Sago, UFC vet, 3rd degree black belt in Jiu-Jitsu. Let's get into it. All right, drill number 1. We're gonna show it from the offense and defensive perspective. So offensively, if you're trying to take your opponent down, let's go over it. So one of the simple ways to do this is we gotta throw out a distraction. So the distraction could be anything, but easy distraction is a jab. That jab can be used to kind of blind them. It's just kind of like one more thing for them to think about. So that jab is just a distraction for us to get our shot in. As we're shooting, I'm gonna do it immediately after the jab. So as I'm popping that jab out to blind them, I'm gonna drop the knee down and the jab hand's gonna shoot in. Boom, here, nice and tight. Just change the angle, boom, so nice and tight. From this position, we're going to then feed in my other hand. So I got 2 hands on one leg and I'm gonna transition to the double leg. I'm gonna drive off my post, block their leg from posting. I'm gonna elevate this leg as high as I can, transferring the weight down, blocking this post from moving. And as I'm running, I'm gonna land chest to chest, heart to heart. Boom, passing the legs immediately. So we're here, I show it from a different angle. We're popping out that jab, I jab, shoot in, boom. Nice and tight, no space. Don't have your head out like this. He could easily cross face you, frame you. You don't want that. So keep your head in, nice and tight, and then transfer your arm, block the legs so he can't post, because if I'm just running, he's gonna hop, hop, hop. So instead of hop, 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 we're gonna block and then run, 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 boom, past the legs. As we're hitting the ground, this leg's up, I'm clearing it, passing, going chest to chest. Number 2 is if they block the double leg. So how do they block the double leg? Once you get in on the double leg here, you can see his hand, he's going to my elbow. I can't get this arm across. I can't reach for the double leg. I'm still gonna wanna transfer the weight, so he's hopping. I want him to separate his legs out, hop, 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 and then I'm gonna cut back, boom, here. Another option you could do as you're cutting back, we'll just come back in front here. As you're getting in here on the leg, he's blocking the double. I can also use this arm to chop, just right behind his knee. Again, it's preventing his leg from correcting his balance and staying upright. So I'm moving him around, and I chop back, boom. Immediately try to look for a pass, so I can kick this leg back, boom, get around the legs, past the legs. So we're here. Number 3 is they got really good balance. You're popping it, getting that jab for that distraction, you're getting in, they're blocking the double. I can't cut back. I'm gonna adjust my grips a little bit higher towards the center, lift. As you're starting to lift, now transfer. Boom, hit the double leg and get the finish. From the defensive side, the striker side, you wanna be up on your feet. So as they're popping that jab out there, number 1 is we gotta not take damage. We wanna be safe. So we're just gonna parry that jab hand. So we're just parrying that jab hand into the way. I'm thinking he's gonna wanna shoot. So as that shot's coming in, I'm gonna drop this hand in so he frames, so he jumps in. Boom, I'm framing this. So he get his head out of position, and before his hands connect, I'm looking to kick my leg back and push him, boom, away. So when he's here, when he's shooting in on me, I'm parrying. As he shoots, boom, here, and we're back up. Again, he's shooting, boom, boom, and we're up here. All right, when they get in a little bit deeper on you, so they got a little bit ahead of you. So what we're gonna have to implement now is called a belly whizzer and drive their head down to the mat. So as they shoot in, we still wanna parry, we don't wanna take the damage, but they got in a little bit deeper this time. So maybe it's a little bit tougher for me to get my frame in. So I'm gonna look C-clamp grip, drive their head down, my other hand's going across their belly. Can you lift up for 1 sec? So it's going across their belly, right here, boom, like you're trying to hit them over with it. I'm driving the head down, hitting my belly whizzer, and then hamstring curling with the leg. So if we're here, drive the head down, he's holding onto the leg, and I'm just here, sprawling, 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 sprawling. If they hold onto your leg nice and tight, use that belly whizzer to try to off balance them and just drive, 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 keep walking the legs back. And then as soon as you feel that grip break happen, keep the pressure on their head, get back up, here, back to your striking. Another thing that could happen is they shoot in, parry, boom, belly whizzer, we're going down, he's holding onto the leg. From this angle, another thing that you could do is we're gonna use our knee, and we're kind of just gonna place it right underneath their armpit and implement a scissors. So scissors like opposing forces. One's going up, one's going down. I'm driving my leg down, I'm making sure I'm bringing my heel to my butt, so I'm hamstring curling, and then I'm scissoring my legs out. One's going out, yes, and then from here, we can remain in the turtle position and finish with ground and pound. So we'll do that one from a different angle. Can you shoot on this way so they can see that hamstring curl? Parry, boom, we get in, nice and low, stuff the head. Curl the leg, knee to the armpit, boom, scissors action, here, boom, boom, or just disengage, get back up. Thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. If you want to see more MMA related content, please remember to leave a comment or shoot me a message. Check out this next video as well. If you're new to MMA and you're not, if you're new to MMA and you want to